Quelle performance aujourd'hui?
Ouais, je crois que surtout la manière, je crois que toute l'équipe, je crois qu'on a fait un très bon match aujourd'hui. On a réussi à marquer 4 buts. Je crois qu'on veut mettre même plus. Mais voilà, je crois que les 3 points sont là et on est tous contents.
Le quatrième but était quand même acrobatique. Et de vous, tu peux le décrire?
Ouais, j'ai pris avec mon genou. Voilà, c'est la première fois que j'ai marqué avec mon genou. Je crois que le ballon il est venu trop vite. Et voilà, j'ai fait le bon geste au bon moment. Voilà, j'ai eu la réussite.
Playoff 1 ne peut pas échapper. Hein. On a 13 points d'avantage.
Je crois qu'on prend match par match. On a prouvé aujourd'hui encore qu'on mérite être haut du classement. Voilà, je crois qu'on doit assurer de plus en plus. Le prochain match, c'est à Zult. C'est un match très difficile et on va essayer de prendre quelque chose là-bas aussi.
Et toi aussi, tu es en plein forme, hein? Semaine après semaine?
Ouais, je crois que l'entraîneur me donne la confiance et je prends plus de confiance dans mon jeu, dans mes actions et j'ai aussi la confiance de mes coéquipiers. Voilà, c'est ça qui m'aide beaucoup aussi.
Bonne chance, merci. The Smiling Assassin, you strike again, 2 goals against Sandar. You also scored against Sandar in the first game. Describe your feeling right now.
Yeah, I feel happy for myself, for the team and for the supporters also because you know it's not a one-man team and I think it was a teamwork. So I must congratulate the team also and everyone who was in the stadium.
It was an incredible team performance today.
Yeah, we did very well from the first minute and we wanted to score as early as possible, which we did. That's what we wanted, so we control the game. But we know when we considered the goal in the 20th minute, I think we didn't give up. We kept going until we got the lead. So we didn't give up, and I think it's a good spirit in the team, and we have to keep it like this until the end.
What about the atmosphere in the stadium with the Mexican wave rolling down the stands?
Yeah, it's always great, you know, when we play here at home, you know, our supporters are always behind us, whether we play good or bad. And it's a good feeling also to know that there are some people who are behind you, so it gives you the motivation to keep playing and working hard, so that you make them happy also in the end.
Now Ostende has a 13-point advantage. Playoff 1 can't escape right now.
Yeah, I think we cannot think about it. We can put it at the back of our mind, but we have to know what we want in each and every game. So we don't have to look forward, and we have to take each game as it comes. So I think we are moving in the right direction. We just need to collect as maximum points each and every game.
Best of luck. Thanks a lot.